And peekaboo! Hello, it's me, MiniMoonface, here to do another YouTube video. I just wanted to tell you something exciting that happened to me recently, and I thought I'd share it here as my second ever video because me and Zig and Epic in particular love HermitCrafters. I know Solid the cat is a big fan too, and they don't know, but HermitCrafters such as Mumbo and Grian are often coming to me, and Iskal and whoever are often coming to me for top tips because they know and have heard legend of my amazing Minecraft creations, especially with redstone. Anyway, as I was saying, something very exciting happened the other day when I was watching a live stream that Grian was doing to raise money with Iskal and some of the other HermitCrafts guys, and they were trying to raise money for a charity called LoveTropics. Now, LoveTropics tries to raise money to help people in tropical rainforests predominantly, to give money to villages there to help them look after trees and protect trees and plant trees and survive amongst the jungles and hopefully keep the jungles remaining and the rainforest remaining. So I was making a donation because I was watching it. You know, it's a worthy cause and it was very exciting, and I was watching to see how many trees Grian could create. And then, hang on a minute. Did you see that? MiniMoonface! And I left a message from the HermitCrafters. Very, very exciting stuff. Minnie and Grian sitting in a tree. Kissing. And so I'm on his Grian channel. Very, very exciting. So I am telling fibs no more. It is true. MiniMoonface has been on Grian's YouTube channel. Yay! And so we did give a bigger donation after we saw that, and left another message from the HermitCrafters, and hopefully that means somewhere when the realm is ready to download from the HermitCrafters, we will have a tree located somewhere on the HermitCraft downloadable server. Okay, well, that's it for me. Thank you for listening to me waffle on about me and Grian sitting in a tree. I don't know if I should say we're KISSING, but I will say bye! MiniMoonface, over and out.